Okay, kindergarten, we are going to learn about primary colors. The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. We're going to get a white piece of paper. We're going to write our name and K, whatever the rest of your class code is. And then you're going to turn your paper over. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to fold our paper in half this way. We are not going to fold it this way. It's not going to be long and skinny. It's going to be short and wide like this. Keep your name on the back where you can't see it, where it's on the table. Okay? Now you have this fold going down the middle. Okay. First thing we're going to do, see, you've got two hands. This one makes an L. See the letter L, capital L. If I do this one, that L would be backwards. So that is not our left hand. This is our left hand. So we're going to write an L up here. Okay? And then we're going to write an R for right. Left, right. Now, we're going to turn our paper where the L is over here on the side. And we've got the fold going down the middle. We're going to take our left hand that makes an L. See? Got left hand. We're going to lay it here with our wrist. This is my wrist on that fold. I'm going to trace my hand. You're tracing with a pencil. And that didn't work. Let me try again. I'm going to try with a marker. Trace just the best you can. Okay, and see, right here it didn't go all the way to the middle line, so I'm just going to make it go that way. Okay, I'm going to take, again, my L, my left hand, same hand, and I'm going to trace it over here. I'm going to make that line go all the way to the fold. Okay? Now, we're on the R side. Okay? We're going to turn it where these two hands are upside down, and we've got our blank side. Now we're taking our right hand. Can our right hand make an L? No, it's backwards. Okay? So, we're going to take our right hand. You might need to get a friend to help you with this one if you normally hold your pencil in your right hand. The scale is going to do it the best you can. You're going to see it's kind of wobbly. So there, see that one's a little bit wobblier, a little bit bigger. It's okay. Now I'm taking, again, can I make an L with this? Nope, it's backwards. So this is the hand I'm using. I'm going to make that line go all the way. Okay, so now I'm turning it around where I've got my L and my R at the top. Okay? Put your pencil away. Now, we're going to use our primary colors on the side with the R. On the side with R. We're going to have three brushes, and three colors of paints, red, yellow, blue. Those are the primary colors. We're only going to use one brush in each color. So I'm going to start with the yellow first, because that's the color that gets dirty easily. So we're going to start with it, try to keep it clean. I'm going to put some yellow globs of paint wherever I want. You see, I'm not brushing it, I'm just gooping the paint on. Okay? So I'm putting some yellow globs of paint. Make a little bit of goop line, but you don't want to rub it in. You really want to have it goopy. Okay? And then I'm going to leave that brush in the yellow paint. Okay? That brush stays in the yellow paint. Now a friend can use it. Now I'm going to start with the red. And I'm putting another brush in the red paint. And I'm gooping on some paint. Again, I'm not really brushing it. I'm just putting big blobs of paint, goopy blobs of paint, okay? I'm only putting it on the right side of my paper. Okay, then I leave that brush in the red paint so a friend can use it. Now I'm going to use the blue paint, and I've got my own brush for the blue paint. I'm not letting these brushes touch the other colors because that'll get our brush dirty and that'll get our paint cups dirty. I can even drip it a little bit like I just did. So I'm trying to put some blue blobs in between those other ones. Do any of my blobs touch? Nope. We don't want them to touch right now. I'm going to try to get a little bit in there. Okay, so I think I've done enough. I'm going to leave that blue brush in there. Okay, now your friends can use those brushes. Now, I'm going to take this side of the paper, my left side, I'm going to fold it on top. Okay, I'm going to hold one hand right here, and I'm going to take my other hand, and I'm going to rub gently, smushing that paint, rubbing it. And it should be squishing and rubbing and blending together. And this is going to make what is called a monoprint. If it oozes out, that's okay. We just need to clean it up with the red rag, table inspector, when we're done. Okay, so rub, you really want to rub hard. Really make sure you rub all the sides. I don't know if I'm going to make a mess right there. Okay, now I'm going to carefully taking my finger at the corner, I'm going to open it up. And look what we have. If you look where the colors join together, do you see some new colors? What new colors do you see? Okay, now you're going to take this, holding it, two edges carefully, and you're going to carry it and put it on one of those big papers on the drying rack. Do not keep it closed. It has to stay open, because if you close it, what's going to happen? It's got to stay open. Okay? If for some reason you did not use as much paint as Mrs. Galen and your colors didn't join together, then you just need to carefully use the brush again. Just don't get the brushes dirty. Keep the blue clean for the blue, the yellow clean for the yellow, red clean for the red. Okay? And the next day we'll do something with this. Okay? But this is all we're doing today. So you're going to go carry this to the drying rack. Make sure it's open. And make sure it's not on top of anyone else's painting. Okay? Have fun.